the choice. I don't want walking like with the big boat and 20 people or 30 people on the boat. I prefer like walking with a small group and more VIP.
So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. And if you hurt me, well, that's okay, baby. Only words bleed. And inside these pages, you just hold
After
me.
we will go to Hope
Don't
is a
ever let
beautiful
you
beach. Okay? So like this you can make a snow cream.
And if you hurt me, that's okay, baby. Only words bleed. Inside this pages, you just hold me, and I won't ever let you go. When I'm away, I will remember how you kissed me under the lamppost back on 6th Street. Hearing you whisper through the phone, wait for me to come home.